Hello everyone, my name is Engel, and today I want to say about my internship. I was the assistant in the multimedia lab, and my supervisor Jonas Adirhan. Our aim it was to design a functional assistive braille keyboards and produce the multimedia content that demonstrates its impact and technical feasibility. So objects is like analyze current assistive technologies, develop a hardware prototype using the ESP32 and S3, and also design iterative custom cases through the 3D marks and 3D printings. Produce a high quality promotion videos to communicate the project's available. The first of my task it was like about the 3D Max, use the 3D Max, and it was a redesign of our two wall on the Wi-Fi zone, um, and I did. The second task it was about how I can say we do the braille keyboards, and the main part of this keyboard was the technical part. So the first we try to simulate the voice from the buzzer, and after when we this work completed, the second task it was like use the dev player and ESP32 and try to the output the voice from the dynamic. Also, we do the research how we can edit all the 48 keys in our keyboard, and for it we use like matrix methods. You can see it on the third and the fourth photos. After it, when we showing it and search the technical parts, we go to the UX of our modelings, how the keyboard was more comfortable. So for the blind people, we draw to the four methods, and then we modeling it. On the modeling, I use the Fusion and the Prusa for the 3D printing. When we do all the 3D modelings and the technical parts, we go to the solder the wireless of our matrix, and when I model the first model, it's not they have got the mistakes. For example, when you press a key under the keyboard must be supported, but in my modeling I don't do it, so I change these mistakes on the second part. You can see the MVP of our keyboards. And also, I participate in the promo video of our multimedia science because except our projects, I think it's also very important thinking because in this video we show which the different methods have got in our science. Like for example, you can see on the first and the second video we show the digital drawings. To the second video, we showed the traditional methods of the drawing. So we have the different designs, and we want to show it, and we want to show it in our video. So what I learned in this internship, during my internship, I mastered the industry standard tools like Bamboo Lab, Arduino IDE, and I learned how to prototype hardware, build functional circuits using the Arduino, design and fabricate, create the different 3D models in 3D Max, and brings it to life via 3D printing. So the technical problems like identify design flows and iterate the prototypes for the better performance, produce a professional media like a direct and film high quality promotion content on location. That's all. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.